Hello everyone, now we are going to learn how to install Java's latest version in Windows 11. So open Google Chrome. In Google search, type Java JDK Oracle. Click on this link www.oracle.com Java Technologies. Click on this. Here we can see Java 18 is available. So we'll click on Windows tab. Click on x64 installer. Click on this link. It is downloading. Once it is downloaded, click on this, click on yes, click on next. It is showing the path where it will be installed. Here, click on next. So here it is showing that Java has been installed successfully. Now we are going to set up the environmental variables. For this, first we will click on search. Here type view advanced system settings, this one. Click on this. Here we can see environmental variables button is there. Click on this. Here search for path variable. Click here. Click on edit. Now we are going to set up the JDK path. For this we need to open our C drive, the path where it was installed. So it was C drive, program files, search for Java. Click on this. Click on JDK 18. Click on bin. Copy this path. And here we can click on new button, paste it here. So here we have set up the environmental variables. Click on OK. Now once this is done, then we need to set up home variable. For that, we'll go on this section, click on new, type as is in caps, Java underscore home. Here we need to paste the variable value. For that, we need to go to the same path, but instead of bin path, we will go to JDK 18. Copy this path, go here, paste it. So this is your variable value for Java home. Click on OK, OK, OK. So it's done successfully. Now if we want to check like if it has been installed successfully, we can check on command prompt. So go to search again, type cmd, that is command prompt. Click on this, write here Java hyphen version, enter. So here it is showing that Java version 18 has been installed successfully. Thank you.